Hello Money Mind community. Welcome to another video in our YouTube channel Money Mind. In today's video, we will analyze 3 IT stocks that can give you a decent amount of return in next 6 months to 1 year. So without further delay, let's begin today's video. First look at the Nifty 500 index. You will see the few major levels of Nifty 500. We will try to analyze the market sentiment by observing the few levels of Nifty 500. So let's see it. Let's see the monthly chart of Nifty 500. As you can see on the screen, there is different levels are marked on this chart. You can clearly see the uptrend here. If this month closes above 1900 145, then we can expect more this uptrend and above level in the future. As you can clearly see on the chart that after a few years of uptrend from 2009, it's consolidated a little bit from 2021 to 2023, and now it's again break the level. So you can expect that the more this uptrend to be continued, and Indian market are in very bullish situations. Next, we will observe the Nifty 50 monthly chart. Here it is on your screen. Let's see. In the monthly time frame, as you can clearly see that it's very uptrend. A higher high and higher low continued being maintained, and you can clearly see it's very bullish right now. So let's see the weekly chart of Nifty 50. In weekly chart, it's also the same. Higher high and higher low is being maintained, so it's clearly uptrend. And if you observe the last few weeks candle, it's very bullish, and momentum is very good. Is clearly you can see on the chart. Next, observe the same chart in daily time frame. Here we will create some sort of opinion that what exactly in the going on in the market right now. As you can again see, it's clearly uptrend, but here is few points and few in daily time frame. Here are few levels that you have to remember. 21,500 is a level that is, and another level is 22,230. If it's break that level, then the height, that uptrend and the bullish nature of the market will be maintained for next few months. As we have already discussed the two resistance mark and two resistance level of Nifty 50 in daily chart, here is two support level is there, that is 20,800 and 20,750. These two levels are two support level of Nifty 50 in daily time frame. So Nifty 50 in short term, all levels are marked quite well, and you can clearly see that it's bullish nature of the market. So let's move on to the next index. So analyzing Nifty 500 and Nifty 50, we can clearly see the bullish nature of the market. Now observe a particular sector. In today's video, we have picked the IT sector. So let's see that how the IT sector is performing. Let's observe the Nifty IT chart in weekly time frame. As you can see on the screen, from middle of 2022, it was a little bit downtrend, and after that it consolidated little bit for 1 year almost, and now it has break the 33,400 level. You can see and expect the bullish trend. So it's given a healthy breakout at 33,400 level. So from here we can invest in IT stocks which has given yearly breakout. As you can see in current chart, the IT sector clearly in bullish nature, but if a weekly chart closes below 31,700 or 750, then this bullish nature will be invalid. Let's see few IT stock that can give you a huge amount of return in next 6 months to 1 year. Our first stock is Genstar Technology. As you can see the chart here in the weekly time frame. As you can see in the chart, it has created a cup and handle pattern here. Here is the cuff, the rounded bottom one, and this one is the handle. And as you can see the breakout after a consolidation of a few months, then it has given that breakout. So there is every chance that it will go bullish for next few months. Let's understand the entry point here. As you can see in this candle, if the weekly closing is above 606, then we can enter in these stocks. Okay, so the entry point is 606. Now see the stop loss here. The stop loss, if the weekly candle close below 515, then this view will be invalid. That's the bullish view will be invalid and we will exit from this stock. Okay, so our entry point is 606 and the stop loss will be 515. Now our first target is that when the stocks will touch the uptrend line, as you can see here the black dotted line, so somewhere around 850 to 860 will be our first target. Now if we try to calculate the final target of these stocks, then we can measure it from the below bottom and the bottom part of the cup and from above of the cup. Okay, so our first target will be somewhere around 1620 to 1650. This will be our final target. So our next stocks is HCL Technology. It's a large cap stock and you can see the chart here in the weekly time frame again. It also given a breakout from all-time high. Okay, as you can see here in this chart, the 1368 is the mark that was all-time high, and from here it's given breakout. So let's understand the entry point of ours. The entry point will be the current above high of this candle, that current candle, and this is somewhere around 1500. 1500 is our entry point. And if the weekly candle closes below 1294 or 1290, then we will exit from the stock and our view will be invalid from there. Okay, so entry point is 1500 and the exit point is 1294. Stop loss. Okay, the stop loss is 1294. The first target of it is somewhere around 1910 or 1915. And as you can see, we have measured the final target here. The final target should be somewhere around 2100. Our next stock is InfoEdge. It's also a IT stocks. It also created a small cup and handle pattern here, as you can see in the chart. Its entry point is at current price. You can entry here, and the stop loss should be 4515, and its first target will be 7000. Okay, as you can see the level are marked here. The three stocks that we have discussed, it is clearly can be very bullish in next 6 months to 1 year, and you can invest on these stocks. If you feel that this information is beneficial for you and if you got some value from it, you can share this with your loved ones. Thank you so much for joining with us.